Chapter 10, Fox and a Crane. Learning Objectives. 1. Learn the golden rule of conduct. 2. Understanding that tricks can be dangerous. Warm up. Look at the half-drawn picture and complete the picture. Fill in the colors and write the name of the animal. Instruction for discussion. Ask the children to identify the image and complete the picture with dotted lines. Once upon a time, there lived a fox in a jungle. He was very cunning. He often played tricks on the other animals. Also, there lived a crane just a short distance away. One day, the fox invited the crane for dinner. He made delicious meat curry and served it in 2 plates. He finished it in 2 plates. He finished his share soon. The crane tried hard to eat the curry from his plate, but he failed because of his long beak. The cunning fox ate meat curry off his plate too, saying, "The food should not waste." He was very sad. He decided to teach the fox a lesson. After a few days, the crane invited the fox for the dinner. He made delicious soup and put it into 2 jars. The jars had narrow mouth. This time, the crane drank his share easily, but the fox could not drink the soup as the jar had a narrow mouth and remained hungry. The fox thought, "The crane is cleverer than me. I shall never play tricks on other animals." Find meaning. Cunning, tricky, clever. Distance, the length of the place. Delicious, tasty. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Look at the pictures below showing the neighbors living together in a community. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Write meaningful sentences using the words given below. A. Cunning. The fox is a cunning animal. B. Delicious. My mother cooks delicious food for me. C. Sad. We should not get sad over small things. D. Drink. We should drink water to stay healthy. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Here, some riddles are given for you to answer. Work in pairs and try to solve them as soon as possible. The team which solves all the riddles correctly first will be the winner. Let's see how smart you are. Best of luck! It has a long neck. It is also the name of the land transport. Answer: crane. 2. I have 3 letters. Cut one off and I become stronger. Cut 2 off and I become 10. Who am I? Answer: fox. Logical decision making. The crane tried hard to eat the curry from his plate, but he failed because of his long beak. The fox remained hungry and could not drink the soup as the jar had a narrow mouth. What is another way the fox could have made the soup? Exercise time! Answer the following questions. A. Who used to play tricks on other animals? Fox used to play tricks on the other animals. B. What did the fox serve to the crane? Answer. The fox served meat curry to the crane. C. What did the crane serve to the fox? The crane served soup to the fox. D. Who taught a lesson and to whom? The crane taught the lesson to the fox. Find their meanings. A. Finished. Ended. B. Share. Distribute. C. Lesson. Moral. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. There lived a fox in a jungle. B. The fox was very cunning. C. The fox invited the crane to the dinner. D. The jars had dash mouth, narrow mouth. Tick the right options. A. The crane invited the fox to the 1. Breakfast, 2. Lunch, 3. Dinner. 3. Dinner. B. How many jars were used in the story? 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 2. 2. C. Which of these animals have a long beak? 1. Sparrow, 2. Parrot, 3. Crane. 3. Crane. Conceptual understanding. Draw a happy face for a true sentence and a sad face for a false sentence. 1. Fox and crane are friends. 2. Fox made pizzas for dinner. 3. Crane didn't eat the food. 4. Fox ate all the food that the crane cooked. Communication. Writing skills. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. This is a tiger. It is our national animal. The baby tiger is called cub. The tiger looks like a cat. So, it is called the big cat.